Good morning, children. This is English video session for class 6. The book we are going to read now is Honeysuckle, chapter number 7, Fair Play. I repeat, class 6 English video session, chapter 7, Fair Play. Clear? We have part 1, part 2. It's quite a big thing. You have to understand the concept behind this before we read. So let's see. Has your best friend ever done something you thought was wrong? What do you do then? Did you keep quiet or did you tell your friend what you thought? Read the story of about your two friends who had gone to decide what was more important, friendship or enmity, sense of what is right and what is wrong. So there are 4 things that we are going to read about it: friendship, enmity, what is right, what is wrong. Okay, let's see. Fair Play Part 1. Jim and Sheikh and Alagu Chowdhury. So who are the two people? Jim and Sheikh and Alagu Chowdhury. Good friends. So we are going to read about 4 things, that is friendship as well as enmity. What's right, what's wrong. Okay, let's see. Jim and Sheikh and Alagu Chowdhury were good friends, so strong that there was their bond of friendship that when either of them went away from the village, the other one looked after his family. Both were greatly respected in the village. Both were greatly respected in the village. Juman had an old aunt who had some property. This she transferred to him on the understanding that if she would stay with him and he would look after her. The arrangement worked very well for a couple of years. Then the situation changed. Juman and his family were tired of the old relative. Juman became as indifferent to her as his wife, who grudged even the little food the old lady wanted every day. She swallowed these insults along with her food for a few months. But patience has its limits. One day she spoke to Juman. My son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen. My wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient, said Juman shamelessly. This made his aunt very angry and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. For many days, the old lady has been seen talking to the villagers, explaining her case and seeking their support. Some sympathized with her, others laughed at her, and few others advised her to make up with her nephew and his wife. At last she came to Alagu Chowdhury and spoke to him. You know, Chachi, Jiman is my friend. How can I go against him? Alagu said, but is it right, my son, to keep mum and not say what you consider just and fair? Pleaded the old lady. Come to the panchayat and speak the truth, she said. Alagu did not reply, but her words kept on ringing his ears. So what is that? Mum kept quiet. Now you very well know Juman Sheikh and Alagu Chowdhury are wonderful friends. They cared for each other and they know what is right for each other. They don't interfere much. They supported each other's family. But the problem came through the Chachi, who felt that she was unnecessary in the house or unwanted because the Alagu, the Jiman's wife never gave. Grudged means what? She felt it's irritated to give the little food which she wanted to give to the lady. The case is quite sure thing that the lady has to be given his money back or give the monthly allowance so that she can meet her own kitchen. She can cook her food and she will eat. Let's see what happened in part 2. Part 2. The panchayat was held the same evening under the old banyan tree. Juman stood up and said, "The voice of the punch is the voice of the god. Let my look at the panchayat children. Under the banyan tree you have a punch. Let my aunt nominate the head punch. I will abide by her decision." So whatever the head punch says, I will decide. The punch knows neither friend nor enemy. What do you say to Alagu Chaudhary? So the punch is such an important position that when you are seated in that, you cannot speak on sides. You have to speak the truth. What is right, what is wrong. Alagu Chaudhary, the lady announced. "Fine," replied Juman, hiding his joy over his own unexpected piece of luck. What is unexpected piece of luck? Like, definitely his friend is going to talk in favor of him. "Chachi, you are aware my friendship with Juman." He says, "I am already here for friends." "I know that," replied the aunt. "But I also know that you will not kill your conscience for the sake of friendship. God lives in the heart of the punch and his voice is the voice of the God." And the old lady explained her case. Juman said, "Alagu, you and I are old friends. Your aunt is as dear to me as you. Now I am the punch. You and your aunt are equal before me. What have you to say in your defense?" 3 years ago, Juman began. "My aunt transferred her property to me. I promised to support her as long as she lived. I have done all I could. There have been a couple of quarrels between my wife and her, but I can't stop it. Now my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance from me. This is not possible. That's all I have to say." Okay, can the case be, now the case is very much open, and he says, "I will not give the money," and he has to give the property is already transferred. "I will not give the money, but she has to be live, keep quiet, and it's not possible. She's unnecessary fights are happening, all these things." Jiman was cross-examined by Alagu and others. Then Alagu announced, "We have gone into the case carefully. In our opinion, Juman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance, or else the property goes back to her." Now the two friends, the decision is so seldom means what? Now the two friends were seldom seen together. Seldom is rarely. The bond of friendship between them is broken. In fact, Juman was Alagu's enemy and wanted his revenge. So now you understood the story, children, what happened between them. The auntie wanted her property back or a monthly allowance. Jimin was so happy when the auntie chose the chief as the punchers, his own friend, that is Alagu Chaudhary. But Alagu Chaudhary, when he was a punch, could not do anything but tell the truth, and what is right was to be done. The lady was asked to give a monthly allowance by Jiman or to give back the property. This is how the decision was done. Okay, so let's see what happened. Uh, this definitely was not welcomed by whom? Juman, because he never thought his friend would do such a thing. He was so sad, he is so angry, and what is there now? They never spoke to each other, and they are hardly seen talking or seeing each other. Okay, the people who were so good friends are now become enemies. In fact, what happened is Alagu wanted to, Jiman wanted to take revenge on Alagu. Okay, so this is what has happened. Now, what is the entire story depends on is you have a friendship, you have now enmity, you have what is right and wrong. When you are sitting in the punch, speak about the right, what is wrong, or are you going along with your friendship? It's a very wonderful story. The what has happened? Does things stop here? Does things change? What happens next is the story in part 3. By tomorrow, I want all of you to read the entire story 3 to 4 times, a loud reading session. Find out the meaning of the words which are put up on the sides and work on the story and come. What is the words connected with friendship, enmity, and right and wrong? Okay, children, I'll see you in the tomorrow's class. Thank you.